Describe a time when your emotional state was strongly affected by an event. A time when my emotional state was strongly affected by an event happened a few months ago, during a period that honestly felt like one of the heaviest moments in my life. It wasn't because of one big dramatic incident, but more because so many things happened at the same time, and each of them slowly built up until they felt overwhelming. At that time, I was under intense academic pressure. I had deadlines coming one after another, and even though I tried to keep up, I constantly felt like I was running behind. On top of that, I was dealing with financial worries. It wasn't a huge crisis or anything, but it was the kind of stress that quietly sits in the back of your mind and never really lets you relax. And to make everything more complicated, I was also going through a confusing situation with someone I like. There were misunderstandings, mixed signals, and moments when I wasn't sure how to feel it. It was emotionally draining, and because everything happened at the same time, I felt like I didn't have the emotional capacity to handle it all. From the outside, nothing looked unusual. People still saw me as someone who was functioning normally, but inside I felt like I was constantly trying to keep myself together. Every day I woke up feeling tired even before doing anything. My mind was restless and my emotions were all over the place. I felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and sometimes even disconnected from myself. It was like I was carrying a heavy backpack that no one else could see, and it kept getting heavier the longer I stayed silent. What made the situation worse was my own mindset. I believed that I had to deal with everything by myself. I kept telling myself, you should be independent, you should be strong, you should solve this alone. And because of that, I didn't reach out to anyone. I didn't talk about my stress, my worries, or how exhausted I actually felt. I thought that asking for help would make me look weak, but in reality, keeping everything inside only made me spiral. I began to lose interest in things I usually enjoyed, like watching movies, listening to music, or spending time with people. Even simple tasks feel unusually heavy. Eventually, I reached a point where I couldn't pretend anymore. One day, after feeling mentally drained for so long, I finally opened up to one of my closest friends. It wasn't planned. It just slipped out because I couldn't hold everything in anymore. And surprisingly, talking about it helped so much. My friend didn't judge me or think I was weak. Instead, they listened, gave me space to express myself, and reminded me that I didn't have to carry everything alone. After that, I slowly began to take steps to improve my emotional state. I started spending more time with people who made me feel comfortable. We watched movies together or talk about random things that had nothing to do with my problems. Those simple moments helped me escape the stress that had been building up inside me. I also tried to be more honest with myself instead of forcing myself to be okay. I allowed myself to admit when I was tired or overwhelmed. I also made small changes in my routines, like limiting my screen time, journaling my thoughts, and giving myself break without feeling guilty. It wasn't an instant fix, but little by little, I could feel the weight lifting off my shoulders. From that experience, I learned something really important. Being independent doesn't mean I have to suffer quietly. I realized that asking for support doesn't make me weak. It makes me human. I also learned that emotional health needs regular attention. I can't just wait until I reach my breaking point before taking care of myself. Now I try to check in with my feelings more often and talk to people I trust whenever I need it. In the end, that difficult period taught me that strength is not about facing everything alone. Real strength comes from knowing when to rest, when to speak, and when to let others be there for me. And honestly, that understanding has changed the way I handle challenge today. Thank you, guys.